Chitra here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make applesauce and to bottle it so that you can keep it for the whole of winter. If we do it properly, we can make it last for the whole year. We were actually very lucky this year to just pick apples from across the street. This apple tree belonged to no one. It belongs probably to the government. And we had so much of apples. They were literally falling away on the floor and the wasps started to come. And then we thought, why not pick them? So most of our neighbors went picking. And we have now a lot of apple. I did already make a pie out of it and made some chutneys. Now it's slowly getting soft in the cellar. Our cellar is not very cold. We thought we make an applesauce and preserve it for the winter. The principle is similar to bottling all your sauces, like the tomato sauce and anything else you want to bottle. So let's see how it's done.
To make the applesauce, you will need the following equipment: a good silicone grip tongue, funnel for filling, food mill, sterilized glass jars, a big deep pot to sterilize the jars after canning, and some lemon juice. I'm using upcycled glass jars and I'm sterilizing them in the oven, which has a steam function for sterilizing the jars. In this pot, I'm sterilizing the lids separately. I have about 7 to 8 kilos of apples. Wash all the apples and quarter them. You do not need to core them, although you do see me doing it out of practice. I just did a few of them. The apples I have here are organically grown and have no wax coating on them. These apples are not extremely sweet, nor are they sour. Cover the chopped apples fully in water and cook them until soft. Drain the apples and collect the water, and you can save up this water for drinking. Mash all the cooked apples using a food mill. I'm using my Kitchenaid food mill attachment for this. I've had this attachment since a few years, but I forgot to use them for my other videos. After the apples were processed, I have in this bowl all the pips and the skin. I will be composting them. The sauce is in this pot. Since the apples were almost cooled after I could process the whole lot, I cooked them for about 10 minutes with a little bit of lemon juice. Fill the sterilized hot jars using the funnel, leaving about 2 centimeters gap. Wipe out the excess around the rims of the jar. Close the lids and place them gently in a deep, big pot of boiling water. Close the lid of the pot and boil the cans for 20 minutes. Switch off the heat and after 5 minutes gently lift the jars and place them on a wooden board. This will prevent the jars from breaking when they come into contact with the cooler surface. Leave the jars undisturbed for 24 hours. After some hours, you will see that the top of the lids look a little bit dented in the down position. This is an indication that the jars have sealed well. Store them and use as needed. You can use this applesauce for baking, for porridge, baby food, and also into desserts.
This applesauce will keep for a year, and I could this way preserve the apples which were actually almost getting soft in my cellar. My cellar was very warm for it, and these were the summer apples. Probably the autumn apples will last till the winter. By then the temperature in my cellar also would change. I hope I've inspired you to make your own applesauce, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. In case you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notifications for the latest videos I've uploaded. I upload one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living and our gardening experiences. Until next time, bye bye. These were Swiss apples, by the way.